So thank you for joining, and maybe I'll get with you guys later and do more oracle. But please don't use any plastic straws. Please, with paper wrapping or paper straws, please use edible straws. You'll find they're more convenient. And or like sippy cups, you know, like the hula hoop thing works, theory in your cup, you know, stuff like that. And together we can make a difference. Just that simple kind act of even asking of, you know, how your day was to another person, or giving a compliment, or, you know, offering services, or whatever it is. I feel like, whatever you could do to be kind, because that's the only legacy we have.